You want to get better at pop dancing, but don't know how? Don't worry, you have come to the right place. Today, I will be covering 8 tips to help you dance like a pro. Assuming that you know to use the mirrored version and stuff. Let's get started. I know it sounds boring, but if you really want to improve fast at pop dancing, you should learn the basic elements of pop dances. But the real struggle is that most people don't have the money or time for an actual class. So I'll search for a free alternative and find some amazing free courses on YouTube. Here are my favorites. In those videos, you will learn many techniques that are used frequently in pop, and you will be able to learn choreographies much faster. Secondly, practice every move you learned over and over again. That's what idols do to dance like pros on stage. So don't be lazy and get in front of a mirror or film yourself, and don't stop until it's perfect. Thirdly, get out of your comfort zone. Most of the idols learn street dance, hip-hop, ballet, and contemporary dance so they can slay the moves no matter what. Also, every group has their own unique style, so try new groups and styles to improve. Fourthly, be consistent. Perfection doesn't appear overnight, so practice every day. But don't forget, consistency doesn't mean you need to practice for 8 hours for every day. Some days you can go up to 30 minutes, and other days it's okay to just repeat the moves for a few times. Fifthly, let it marinate. Brain processes what you learned when you're asleep. So before deciding how much you improved, wait for a day. Sixth tip could be the best, but most overlooked tip. Every dancer puts a unique flavor that you can get inspired from to the dance they cover. So make sure to watch the same dance from different artists. For the 7th tip, I'll recommend everyone to stretch daily because most of the pop dances require a level of flexibility just so the dance looks decent. Now, before we get to the last tip, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you like too. Last tip is very crucial. Every dancer needs to practice cardio so they can keep up the choreo. So please don't overlook this step. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.